Guys, this is MOUSUMI and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna share this wedding guest makeup and hair look with you guys. So first I need to do some hair care before doing the hairstyling so that I don't need any hair appliances. And my hair care means applying this cool mint hair oil from Wow Skin Science, because the work pressure is being so much that most of the time I'm getting tired, and the extreme heat is another thing which is making it worse than ever. This oil comes with an applicator which makes it very easy for applying the oil. You need no one actually for it. You know what I mean. This oil has a cooling infusion of peppermint oil and menthol crystals that soothe irritated scalp and restore overall freshness. The best part of this oil is that it is non-greasy, and also it helps to protect strands from damage and it restores a healthy shine. So after massaging with this oil and taking my bath, I become so refreshed that shooting back-to-back videos doesn't seem very hectic to me. Now I will do my hair updo. The oil makes my hair so smoother and shinier that I don't need any straightener, as you can see guys. So first middle part your hair and then flatten it on each side of it and clip it securely. Next, pull all of your hair back and do a braid, which is very easy, anyone can do it. And then wrap it into a bun and clip it well. If you want, you can spray some hairspray so that it doesn't move or anything. So here it is, my hairstyling is done. Now I will just quickly do my makeup part. All the products I have used mentioned in the description box with the links. The look I have created here is so easy that anyone can do it like by hath ka khel. So yeah. So that is my final look. Honestly guys, I didn't expect that this look would have turned out so beautifully. The hair, the makeup, everything was so simple yet looking so classy and glamorous at the same time. Let me know in the comment section what you guys do think about it, and yeah, please do like and share this video, and whoever is new here, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. See you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe, bye bye.